Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting a data limit on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have a limited data plan, it's a good idea to set a data limit on your PC. Here is how to do it. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Network and Internet from the left sidebar. In Network Settings, select Data Usage from the top right. From the Data Usage page, click Enter Limit. You can now set a data limit and then click Save. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.